morning, start to another week here at Airedale. It's a bit dull but it's not too bad at the minute. Forecast a lot of rain I think next week or so. So what are we on with? Yeah, the guys are just going, they're doing a repair actually, a little repair job over at Morley today. I think there's 4 panels, 4 posts and some 2.4 V mesh. A bit of messing about on the job there. Something to note. We're just going to adjust the gates that they put in Friday. So they're a bit wet so they couldn't actually do them. So we're just getting loaded up now. Carl's probably going to go down to Thorpe School a bit later and get some proper measurements for these crank posts so we can start fabricating them. I've got a couple of jobs to see which I think I'm going to send Justin actually. Then I've got somebody to come see me about supplying some steel that we need for this fence post. All in all, quite a busy day. So yeah, we'll get some footage as we go along.
Lads are starting on the top bit first, just cutting the bolts out, we've got a few more bits here and there to do. Let's have a look. So we've got this bit here, this is straightening 2 posts up. Got a section there, what you can see is being damaged. Luckily enough, none of the fence has actually been damaged with that one. So we'll get behind there, dig it out, straighten it back up, replace that pail there, and then exactly the same on there, and then there's some more on the corner as well. Let's go and have a look. So this one here, one of the bases is alright, so we'll straighten the post up, cut this whole section out, replace that, be able to reuse a lot of them pails on there. That one as well, just going to cut them sections out and replace them. Yeah, we'll get that done today and we'll get out of here. So this one's just cut out, post has been straightened, just adding some new rails now, put the pails back on, and then they've just got these ones to do, the other ones are done. That bit there, maybe that post probably just needs a touch up, so we'll get that done. And yeah, looks like we'll be done in about an hour and a half. And this has been a bit of a temperamental one, but yeah, we've managed to get it in sync. So yeah, it's looking good. We'll just fill that all that we've dug now and then start putting up pails on.
Afternoon. Wow, busy day that's been. Oops, I'll just lie out. I'm just actually locking up me, I've had enough. Lads were finished, they went a while ago. I'm just locking up now myself. Carl's still in there doing some fabrications. Yeah, I've literally haven't stopped all day, I haven't moved from my desk. But my bottom's hurting, I've been sat down that long at my desk. But what a busy day. I've had a load of orders come in, filling in forms, account forms, all sorts. It's been happening. Got a big job, big palisade job, starting in, it's not for a month or so, but in Ripon. That's to sort out. Yeah, lads have done repairs. Carl's just in his little place. I'm going to lit this fire again by the looks of it. He's just in there, look, moving away. Yeah, that's it, I've had enough. Literally haven't stopped being at gym this morning, everything. It's a long day. So I will catch you tomorrow. Good morning. Flipping out. What's happening with this weather, but it needs to do one. Nice day for ducks. Absolutely peeing it down, freezing again. About time we had some bloody nice weather now. We're getting fed up with it. It's been a long winter this. We thought we were getting to some nicer stuff last week when sun made a little appearance. Don't exactly inspire you, does it, when it's like that? So yeah, the lads are going over towards Harrogate Way, I think, Gatewood Community School or whatever it's called. About 30 odd metres of fencing and 2 double gates which Justin's got to go pick up from Quarters this morning round corner. It's supposed to be ready last night but they weren't quite ready, so he's going to go this morning. And then we've got Matt over there swapping vans. I think his brake pads are iffy on his van or something, he can't get it in well a couple of weeks, so he's taking the other little van So yeah, busy. I've got an appointment with accountant this morning, so I'm just going to get on with my admin stuff before I go, and I'll catch you later.
So here we are in Skipton on a nice rainy day. Lads are just getting van unloaded now, so we'll be just going in front of this fence here. Gates here, opening downhill, going down to the bottom. This little blue bit's here, it's really fuzzy. This little blue bit there, gates coming out, and a little single gate's going in. So that gate should open up to the window, and this one here should open down and out, and our fence is just going in front of it. So we'll probably just cut that tree out there, leave that on side. Yeah, so we'll get this cracking, and we'll go from there. Right, we just Greekwood, and just finishing up. So they've just got this gate to do here, panel in there. This has gone down in quarters, and then all the way up here. Let's jump up here without falling. So initially this timber fence was going to come out, they decided to keep it in. So they've already said that they're going to take the gate off behind, so at least they can use the gates. And then just to end, just down. Lads will be done today, nice and early for them. Yeah, not looking bad.
Hello there, yeah, I'm just over at Palmer's Landscapes actually in Leeds, Putty. I've just come for a bit of a demo of this machine behind me. Concrete mixing plant, especially great for us fencers and get small batches. Yeah, so I'm just going to have a bit of a demo there. He's going to set me up with some fobs apparently. So I'll see how we get on. I'll turn it around. This big machine in front of me here. Going to be great for small batches. That's why we stopped using concrete plants actually. So all they're bothered about are their big wagons, but this has been set up especially landscapers, fencers, that type of thing. So yeah, we'll see how it works. Definitely be useful when we're putting gates in, stuff like that. Oh yeah, and then just put your bits and bats in here, look. Presumably you just pick what you want in there.
Conveyor belt, lower it
down. Yeah.
So wherever you want it. Wherever you get your, say that your green position. Then you're working on a fob, so that'd be...
Yeah, he said he were going to set some fobs up for us, yeah.
So then you got your different mixes.
Oh yeah.
The C20s, what differences used for fencing?
For fencing, yeah. What'd be good for gates then? Same, C20.
It's
That's quite a strong...
dry,
yeah.
It's a dry mix.
Yeah.
We'll see when Ben comes in, like, I'm going to sample off here.
Right, that's quite straightforward really, isn't it?
That's it, you just put your...
So you just fob that there?
Yeah, so like, see if you wanted that.
Yeah.
You put your... Because it does it in litres, not cubes.
Alright.
So,
how do we work that out
so
then?
Like, put your 250s, quarter of a cube.
Alright.
So then you like, press confirm. It tells you weight, so then you fob it, put your code in, whatever your code is.
Yeah.
It tells you price there.
Alright, cool. Yeah, it seems quite straightforward. Yeah, get some set up here. What is going on? Just been busy. Taking, just been at galvanising powder coaters. Pretty handy, we've got a powder coaters around the corner from us, so it's quite handy. And then he's just going to drop these back down to metal sheet galvanisers down the road. Quite lucky, so everything's quite local to us here. So yeah, I'll just turn it around. You can see we're getting on quite good with these gates, looking good at them. Ginger Prince there who makes them. Yeah, we actually we get nice metal cappings on ours. Yeah, rather than plastic ones, and yeah, they're working well. We seem to prefer them. Yeah. So I just thought I'd get a bit of a vid there, just as going to drop them, and I'll get back in my little hut. Good morning, Friday again already. Oof. In fact, let me just wipe that, sorry. That better? Yeah, so I've just realised I didn't actually do any filming yesterday. All that busy, engrossed in my quoting, my admin. Me and Carl actually went down to a job that I've got. I think I mentioned before, Thorpe School, which is one of the schools in my wife's trust academy. And we went down, so we've got the job actually to measure all the cranks that need doing. Carl's going to make them. So we were busy actually yesterday, and weather were a bit iffy, so hence why I didn't get any filming done. But yeah, I'm just down at a school. I don't know whether we can see it here, I'll turn it round. I'm just down at Peel Park School. Probably see the sign there. Basically, this is only around the corner from us as well. We love all these local jobs. Just around the corner, basically they just want 3 or 4 panels fixing around the back where the nursery is. Basically they've got some climbers, the kids are getting over a wall, a small wall, and they're off escaping. So it's something out of a job, so I'll probably get this one, no doubt. And then I'm just on my way to another school now, Newby School, BD5. I'm not quite sure what they want actually. I think they've got a fence that wanted extending or something, I can't actually remember, but I'll see when I get there. Good morning, Friday already. Not actually in the yard today, I'm actually going networking. I can see Justin's just pulled up to pick me up in Leeds. Carl's coming with me. Sorry I haven't been on camera much actually the last few days, been busy. Been doing a lot of school surveys, and obviously it's hard to get some footage at times, obvious reason with the kids about. So yeah, I was going networking for today, and it's actually my birthday today.
Happy birthday!
Happy
birthday! Hey, it's not a surprise.
Happy birthday to me. So the guys that I go networking with, a few of them have promised to stay and have a few beers for me. Be a long day, and then I'm meeting the missus later on, so good luck to me. But I better go because my accountant's actually coming as well, so I'd just like to wish you all good health. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like while you're here, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.